In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the last seen recently in Telegram. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've launched up Telegram, tap on those three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner. That will take you to this page. Then you want to tap on the settings option, which is right there. So the layout of the settings page has changed a little bit. So once you have gone onto the settings page, go to where it says privacy and security, and then you'll see the option here, last seen online, last seen and online, and right now mine is on everybody. But if you just tap on that, you can select nobody, and then your last seen status will be gone. And you can also set it to have it on only for your contacts. So select nobody, and then you want to tap the tick mark at the top right hand corner. And then it's going to tell you that you won't see last seen for other people as well. If you don't share yours, just tap on OK. And now that has been updated. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.